Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel once again. So let's analyze the weekly chart of the some instrument. And before starting the video, I would like to uh, share the disclaimer that okay, whatever the ideas I am sharing, that is my personal opinion, and it is not an advice for to anyone to take the trade on these ideas. If you are taking any trade on this, it's primer entirely your decision, and you are responsible for any losses and anything on it. So it is entirely for uh, uh, educational purposes I'm sharing these ideas. Okay, so if you make any decision on it, it's entirely yours. So it's not my advice to anyone to take the trade on this, because whatever I'm sharing, this may because this may this idea may change or may revert in different directions. But so whatever you are doing, just take your do your deep dive and do analyze your chart based on your understanding, and then take trade. So I'm sharing my analysis based on my understanding, and it's personally my opinion. Okay, so and based on the available data. So let's start to analyze this USD JPY, how it may go in coming week. Okay, so what I can see, right, it was entirely in uptrend. Right now it is taking a hold. USD and JPY made an high, and after that the second high, so it start making the lower high, right, one here is, as you can see, right, and after that it is trying to create a head and shoulder here. But before this, it is taking a resistance up to from this level. This is an interesting area of interest, from where people are putting the big player are selling from here. Then when price went again, then again sold here. It given the breakout but did not sustain at this above this level, and again came back, again gone up, take support from here, gone up, but did not, it's not sustaining up at this level, and again broken this important area. And you can see, right, the week, it's a weekly chart and weekly candle. You can see how the price rejecting from this important label. Okay, and now a 50 EMA also reacting as a resistance. So what I can see here, right, what I can see here, maybe risk, if you are a more risk taking trader, then you can initiate, or we can initiate our trade just below this. The moment it is crossing on 4 hourly time frame, or whatever time frame you are trading, if this level is being crossed below and given closing on the whatever time frame you are following, then you can initiate your trade. And I'm sure it looks like that this can travel up to this level, right? So on weekly it looks very good, and I'm thinking that okay, if somebody taking more chance and who is aggressive trader, they can trade here. Okay, and wait and put their stop loss just above this here, right here, at this level, and they can hold this trade up to this level. So 1:3 on weekly chart, it looks like, you know it's a look like a good trade, because structure, you can see, right, the structure is beautiful, and it is going to travel to this direction. Okay, so if I switch this on daily chart time frame, then also it looks good. But okay, ultimately on daily time frame, label is the same, right? We need to wait for this level to break down. The moment it break this down level, okay, it become bearish, right, fully bearish, and the same process we may apply, right, and we can hold this trade up to this level. Okay, and on 4 hour time frame, this is looking good, right? This is looking good. Double top has been created on 4 hour time frame. Okay, so if you are a risk taking trader, I don't want to wait much, you can trade this on based on this, sorry, this double top. Okay, and also you can put a trend line. Okay, you can okay, you can put a trend line here from here to here. Oh, I'm sorry, so you can put a trend line. Okay, and wait for the once it break down the trend line and retest the label. Okay, for here back the trend line, then you can initiate the trade, because you got the double confirmation, you got the double top retesting the label, and then continuing to the year direction. So you can keep watch on the USD JPY, which looks good to me for coming week, and it can give a good risk and reward. So this is the first idea for the coming week. I hope you will definitely like this and keep in your radar. The second idea which I was looking for is it's a New Zealand USD. Why I am interested about this particular uh, instrument? Because it's clearly in downtrend. You can see, right? If I take you on the weekly chart, you can see the clear bearish flag pattern, right? And it has also, last previous week has rejected from this resistance level. Now it has clear cut shooting star pattern has been created on a weekly chart. So if you are more risk taking person, then you can take trade here and wait up to this level. Otherwise I would suggest go to the lower time frame and wait for the breakdown, okay, of this neckline. It is a clear cut, a very beautiful head and shoulder pattern, right? Once this head and shoulder pattern get break and being retested, then you can create a trade in this also. So it can be also a good trade, right, which I am looking for at a short side. So then, okay, then this is also if you take the trade here somewhere, it can be easily 1:2. So guys, both the chart looks very good to me, right? And I will be keeping watch on these two, and the moment it will break the neckline and retest, I'm definitely going to take this trade. And I would request everybody to have a look on these charts. Just keep in front of you and see how these react during the trading sessions. They may go against our analysis, but it happens, okay, because it is not that we are analyzing, it is going and it is going to be in our directions only. So it may go otherwise also, right? But yes, how it looks like, basis of that and basis of the structure, we can assume that okay, what direction it can go. So this is a beautiful, on daily chart, this is a beautiful head and shoulder pattern where if it breaks, I'm assuming this can take us to this level again. So we can easily secure our 1:2. And why I'm sure, because it's in a direction, okay, it's in the trend, right? And the bearish flag pattern has been created. So guys, these two charts which I found interesting, so I thought I should share it with you guys so that you can make maximum out of it. And you can also learn from it, okay, how I'm looking at. Guys, keep suggesting me and keep subscribing my channel. Also do like my channel and support me to to bring more interesting or more learningful video for you going forward. So keep subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll update on these charts what will be the result once once at the end of the week. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you so much.